Unlock your financial future. A beginner's guide to investing. Are you ready to make your money work for you? Saving is good, but investing is how you truly grow your wealth. Let's explore how you can start investing wisely and ethically today. Investing isn't just about saving. It's about growing your money exponentially over time. Think of it as planting a seed that blossoms into a fruitful tree. Investments generate passive income, build long-term wealth, and provide a crucial layer of financial security. It's about creating a future where you're less reliant on a paycheck. Investing also protects your money from inflation, the silent thief that erodes the value of your savings. Your money needs to grow faster than the cost of living. The Bible encourages wise stewardship. Matthew 25:14-30, the parable of the talents, reminds us that God expects us to multiply the resources He provides. Every investment comes with a degree of risk. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk you're likely to encounter. Stocks offer high potential returns, but also carry high risk. Real estate provides medium to high returns with medium risk. Farming and business investments also fall into the medium to high return and risk categories. Diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different options reduces your overall financial risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially becoming a part owner. Investors profit when stock prices increase or through dividends, which are profit-sharing payments from the company. It's like getting a piece of the pie. To invest in stocks, open a trading account with a licensed brokerage firm. Research and buy shares in strong, profitable companies. Stocks are best for long-term investors who can handle market fluctuations. Remember, the market goes up and down, so patience is key. Real estate investment involves buying land, houses, or apartments with the goal of selling them later at a higher price or renting them out for income. You can buy land or property in areas with high future value. Renting out houses or apartments provides a consistent stream of passive income. Real estate is a tangible asset, making it less risky than some other investments. Plus, property values tend to increase over time. Real estate is ideal for investors seeking long-term financial growth and passive rental income. It's a solid foundation for building wealth. Farming investment involves investing in crop production, livestock farming, or agribusiness services to generate income. Start small with crops that have high demand, like vegetables, fruits, or maize. Consider investing in livestock, such as poultry, dairy farming, or fish farming. Modern farming techniques, like greenhouse farming and irrigation, can significantly increase your yields and profits. Farming is perfect for entrepreneurs interested in agriculture, food supply, and agribusiness growth. It's an essential industry with consistent demand. Investing in a business allows you to generate income through products or services. It's about creating something valuable that people are willing to pay for. Start small and reinvest profits to grow your business. Manage your finances wisely, keeping business and personal money separate. Offer high-quality products and services to attract and retain customers. Customer satisfaction is the key to long-term success. Business investment is best for entrepreneurs with innovative ideas and strong business skills. It's a challenging but rewarding path. First, set clear investment goals. Are you investing for income, growth, or retirement? Define your short-term and long-term plans. Start small and learn as you go. Begin with low-risk investments and gradually increase your investment as you gain knowledge and confidence. Diversify your investments to spread risk across different options. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Research and seek advice from experienced investors, financial advisors, or books. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Be patient and think long-term. Most investments take time to grow and bring returns. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Proverbs 10:4 reminds us that lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Investing requires effort, planning, and consistency. Proverbs 13:11 warns that dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow. Invest ethically and avoid scams. 1 Timothy 6:17-19 encourages us to use wealth for God's glory. Investments should bless others and serve God's purpose. Identify one investment option that interests you. Research how much capital is needed to start. Create a plan on how to raise funds, whether through savings, SACCOs, or partnerships. Set a timeline for when you plan to start investing. Investing is a crucial step toward financial growth and stability. By choosing the right investment and following sound financial principles, you can build wealth wisely and ethically. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start small, learn continuously, and invest with purpose. Click the link in the description to download our free investment guide and begin your journey to financial freedom today. Don't wait, your future self will thank you.